Hey guys, I'm Siddhartha from SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences at BPharm first year. CLT Center for Learning and Teaching is dedication to inspire and support best practice in learning and techniquing the promoting engaged student centered at lifelong learning of providing quality education. Next is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines and computers to think, act, behave, and function like human beings. Familiar example of AI controlling systems including the Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, and himself the driving cars of Google, Mercedes-Benz, and Tesla. And 3D designing of organs by the of medicines. 3D printing can print pills and complex structure of controlling and release rate, or it can be print pills on demand. 3D printing offers possibility of creating to control and a personalized medicine system through automated control on drug dose, and it's suitable for both low and high drug concentration. The ability of 3D printing to produce complex models is beneficial for surgical preparation instead of display, sorry it MRI and CT scanners. Printing of medicines and pharma industries, how it works printing in the photos. AI used in 3D printing. The use of artificial intelligence has been increased in various sections of society, particularly the pharmaceutical industry. In this review, we highest the use in AI in deserves and advantages of in 3D printing. Complex operations, 3D printing plays an important role in training for the doctors and the preparation and the interfered care, expensive produce and long wait time customization. Can you visualize of 3D printing how it is working? Thank you.